Hey friend, have you ever wanted to make your own animated GIFs for your chats or social media? Well, I found the easiest way to do it using Canva, and it's very easy and it's also a total game changer. Whether you want to create something fun for your stories or add a little flair to your posts, Canva makes it super simple. No need for fancy software, just follow a few easy steps and you will have your own personalized GIFs in no time. Let me show you how. It's seriously that easy. So hello everyone and welcome back in another video. I hope everything is doing well firstly. And in today's video, I will show you the step-by-step how to create a GIF using canva.com. Right, so all I have to do right now is just open your browser and dive into canva.com. This is the homepage, as you can see. Firstly, let's know what is Canva. Okay, so Canva is basically the super easy online design tool where you can create all kinds of cool stuff like social media posts, presentations, posters, and more. It's perfect for anyone, even if you don't have a background in design. Now there is a fun part that could surprise you, which is in this Canva you can also make animated GIFs, and it's super easy and simple. You have just to pick a design, add some animations and poem, and you have got your free own GIF to share with friends. Trust me, it's way easier than you think. So let's get started. Firstly, you have to dive into canva.com as I mentioned before. Then you have to sign it up by adding your email address and your password. And also we have here the profile. This is my account because I already have an account in Canva. That's why apparent that's why we don't have here the buttons of login and signing up as well. So then you'll find a page, which is this one, as you can see. I will just right now search for GIFs, as you can see, and then you'll find a first templates. Also you can just click over create design and you have just to search for custom size. Then you have to add the width and the height, and also you select the units, and then you have to get it started and you create a design and you create your own. Alright, you can just did as I do. You have just to search for chef and you click over see all, and then you'll find other page where we have here a various templates that could help you. Right now you have just to click over all filters and you have to select the filter that you want. For example, this GIF, is it related to the business, such as document, flyers, websites, or social media such as Instagram and other things. Then we have education, video, and marketing, other things. For example, with the style, theme, language, feature, grade, subject. Then we have the topic, the price. I will select the free one. Then I will click over apply and you will find a page, which is this one, as you can see. Right, for example, I will just select one of these templates. I will select, for example, this one because I like it, and then I will just click over custom this template, and then you will find a page which is this one. This is the page where we will just add it or customizing this one. Personally, I will just add, for example, the time in here. For example, I will just add 10 seconds, then I will delete this one and I will search for other things here. I will just go to the brand, or I will just go firstly to the elements and I will search for something like beach relaxing, relaxing. And I will just search for video, and then you'll find this one, as you can see. All right, for example, I will select this one, as you can see. As you can see right now, we have here this example. You can just add it. You can just modify also here the size of this one. You can just put it small if you want, and you can just here click over done once you're done, and then you have to modify up various things that could help you, such as if you want to add a text, you click over text and you add a heading if you want, add a subheading. Then also if you want to upload something such as the background that we have here, so this is the examples that I chose. And then you can also record yourself if you want by clicking over here and you start recording yourself, or you can just upload files. Then also we have here if we want to add elements. For example, we have just to click over elements here and you add other things. For example, I will just search for relaxing, then you search for the stickers related to your platform or template that you select. So I will just go to the graphics here and you will find here of various graphics. So I will just select one of this. So I will select this one because it's related to the beach, as you can see. We'll just modify the size and I'll put it in the top right. And also if you want to duplicate the page, you click over here. If you want to make it lock in, and also we have want to add page. If you want to also zoom in, you click over here. And also we have if you want to template view, if you want to grid view, if you want to also preview and other things. Also if you want to draw in, you click over here the option of drawing. You start here by selecting the color that you want. If you don't find the color that you want, you have just to click over here and just select the color. However, the colors that you want, we have here, as you can see, and just select here also this one if you want to make it close, as you can see. All right, we have here the razor. If you want to delete something, if you want to come back, you click over here in the top window. If you want to just come back like that, and this is the first lock, as you can see. All right, so right now it's just verifying how it looks, and here we have our GIF, how it looks right now. All right, so also we have other options here such as projects, application, QR code as well. And also we have here the option of print if you want to add logos, colors, fonts, print voice, photos, graphics, icons. By the way, this one is you have to pay because it's pro. Once you click over upgrade, you have to pay, then you will get it. If you don't want, you have just to go to the elements and you select the free one. As you can see, we have here various logos and graphics. Also we have here all photos, audios, videos, shapes, and also we have frames, mockups, and other things. And if you want to choose a template, you click over design and you search, for example, for chef here, and you'll find here various shapes, as you can see. And also we have here the option of styling, and you have just to select the one you want, as you can see, and you'll find here other templates. It's just like this one, as you can see, or the same color, as you can see. Right, so right now all I have to do is just share this template by clicking over here in the top right, and you'll find here various things that could help you to share the template, or you can just download it by clicking over here and you select firstly here the option of GIF, and then you have to choose if one transparent background, save download settings, and then you download it. About how you can share it, you can just here make it firstly anyone with the link, anyone can access the design using this link, no sign required. And then if you want to make it public, you click over here, or you can just use other options such as public view link, template link, present on the card, copy to clipboard, save to folder, save to phone, and we have embed and website. For example, if you want other options here, you have just to click over here and modify it, and then you get started with this one. So whether you are looking to add some personality to your text, spice up your social media, or just have fun with design, Canva makes creating GIFs super simple and accessible. It's a fun way to express yourself, and the best part is you don't need to be a design expert to do it. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.